Living on the water is a dream, and it feels like a vacation. It's peaceful, it's beautiful.
I think back to our greatest memories of traveling together as a family to these amazing coastal destinations, Brazil, Mexico, Italy. We're right here on the water, so we wanted to have a beautiful beach space. It's something that we worked and dreamed our whole lives for. I'm James Bricione. I'm the executive chef of Angelina's here in Pensacola. I'm a cookbook author and I cook food on TV.
My name is Brooke Parkhurst. I am a mother, a wife to this one, as well as wine director at Angelina's restaurant. We are in the panhandle of Florida. We are on Pensacola Bay, and then we have beautiful Pensacola Beach, known for sugar white sands, gorgeous seafood from the Gulf of Mexico. That's also a great industry here.
Really, we started our lives together in New York City. That's where we were when we got married. We had 2 children there, but a tiny little New York City apartment is not what we always wanted for our lives, and we knew there were great opportunities here in our hometown, and we wanted to come build our dream home. We decided to pile moving, opening a restaurant, and building a house all on top of one another.
We knew we wanted to work with the beautiful Monogram appliances. We were able to customize so many things. Monogram has their statement collection with mixed metals on the handles. Well, that worked amazingly well with the Francois hood because we have the brass strapping around that.
As a chef, to have really a pro range, something exactly to the standards I would cook on at the restaurant, was so exciting for me. One of my favorite features is the griddle. It's such a versatile space. You have seared tuna on it, cooking steak and chicken and peppers and onions all together. Yeah, the kids, when we are all home together and cooking, they love to be in and part of the process, which is of course sweet.
Part of our kitchen we like to call Life's Essentials, and it's an area where we have pizza, coffee, and wine.
The hearth oven, of course, it makes the most amazing pizzas. I mean, as good as we make in our giant 5-foot diameter wood-burning oven at the restaurant. Basically always been unheard of. I mean, home pizza was never as good. With the hearth oven, it actually is, but does so much more than pizza.
Probably the best appliance and appliance placement of all is in our closet. We have the Monogram drawer refrigerators, and it's little half bottles of wine and champagne, whatever it may be. If we're up in the master bedroom at sunset time, that's the one area of the house that is just for us.
Monogram really allowed us to take all of these amazing elements and appliances and integrate them into the kitchen and the space that we were going to live in together as a family just the way we wanted it. Now we're home.